It's called a hidden suppression. If you have one of those, your product can't be found. Just go to myamazonguy.com/ASIN and fill this out, and we will send you a 10-minute video custom for your own ASIN. You get some free advice, and it's our best stuff. We're going to put our best foot forward. So if we were to really zoom in here and scroll up, you can see that there is at least a couple of white pixels at the top. That's intentional, because if you bleed across that line, you could cause a listing suppression. In fact, it's called a hidden suppression. If you have one of those, your product can't be found. Somebody will search the ASIN and it cannot be located. Big images, they look very nice, aesthetically pleasing, but there's no crawlable text. So like your A+ content should just be all in. A+ content, when you do listing optimization, big images, lots of text, fill out as much space as you possibly can, and make sure you put keywords behind each photo's alt text, including Spanish, including all of those benefits. They've got the recycling symbol on there, hiding in there. That's pretty good. We'll notice again, these guys have a nice, strong main image. Almost everyone that's doing well in this category has really focused most of their time and attention onto the main image for rightful causes. As we scroll through here, digestion, metabolism, energy, immune health, wellness, they're telling me instead of showing me. I don't like that. A little bit nicer of a supplements facts, like they've got the roll around on the box here, so that's kind of nice. What I don't see though is the barcode, which is kind of interesting. So with FNSKU barcodes on a cylinder item, you need to have that label vertical. If you fail to do that, Amazon's going to charge you to relabel it. All right, so supplements facts, they put it in here twice, right? So like that's just like a negative, right? Like you're taking away space, but they do get the nice shot of a woman looking at the camera and smiling, but it has nothing to do with the product. Why not have the product like using it as a lifting thing or something? No product of the product being used, no shot of the actual gummies anywhere in the secondary image stack. I just think this is probably the least optimized listing we've looked at because of that. And then when you add in the parentage, it just gets really bad. I think this is a D+ overall listing. Oh, here we go, guys. Here we go. Remember how I talked about this all video long? Show me with it in your mouth. Now, the one thing I wish they would have done is stuck her tongue out, right? Like that was the big miss here. But this is like an A-. It would be the A+ if she just had her tongue stuck out, right? Because what does it talk about here? It doesn't talk about taste. They're putting it in her mouth and they don't talk about taste. How can you optimize a listing like this and not talk about taste and show me the taste? Like put it in the mouth, put it on the tongue, make me want to eat it. Now with that said, this photo does make me want to eat it. So it does get across the finish line, but what a missed opportunity. Nobody cares about value when they're buying supplements. They just want taste. They just want taste and they want features, but they don't care about value. People are dropping thousands of dollars on supplements because they'd rather buy a supplement than work out. 80% of people that buy supplements, they're just buying it because they don't want to work out and they're lazy